previous part we were doing all this, and we said we're gonna click here, click there, and then come here. What you do, these things talks a million. So this is like a closed door, open door, a garden, a closed door, an open door. This is like a road. This is where you can write whatever you want to write. But remember, this is a screen that will be doing a lot of things, telling us what we've calculated or whatnot. So today we are just gonna do a very short session. This is gonna be a very short one. One, we want to test this hi use me. So you wanna go straight to it. Click here. Alright, okay, you see all this design have changed. Remember, you can always adjust these buttons to the size that you prefer. Okay, that didn't really display here what we wanted for some reason, but we're not gonna waste time. So we have our design. It looks pretty nice. It means in the future we can start to put all the scientific things and all that. How nice. You are now a programmer, guys. If you can do this, you are a programmer. Let's get straight to it. I said today what we're going to do, we're going to show you how when you click this it changes to any color before you even click it. And yeah, that's what we're going to do, and we're just going to jump to the next session. So I like to give my button names, so I'm going to show you how to give button names. Then you can give the names as you want. That's the first thing, or the second thing of this session today. So I'm gonna give this button name and this one, and then you can give your own the way you want to. So let's start with this. You click the button that you want to give it a name. So I'm gonna click this one. Now that we're gonna be working with it, so you see it's on text. Text says equals to. So you just scroll until you see ID, and I'm gonna say 10. I'm gonna put btn equals, and I'm gonna go to this btn plus. Alright guys, so let's head straight to it. So we want to create a style. I'm not going to make anything complicated. So we go straight to the source. You know this is btn equals to. So we want to go straight here. You see all my buttons are written button 9, button 8, 7, and all that. So just gonna go up where we have Bantu Calc, and just gonna click here, click enter, give more space so that I don't get confused. So here I'm gonna do my styles. Alright, so we're gonna try to be a bit simple and fast. So if you just follow what I do here. Please note, we can always check the styles anyway online. So we're gonna give a style name. Style means what we want the buttons to look like, to act like, and all that. It's the look. We are not yet calculating anything now, but it's just doing this look. So it's gonna say 10 effects. So the background color, just click here and just say blue. You can always give a color code, get a color code online and say border. Let's say on the color code side and say maybe curve. Then that's it. And what we're going to do now, we're gonna copy this, click here, click enter, paste, and then come here to say what should it hover like. When you hover, you put the mouse. You want this background color to be black, and this one you want to hit green. But if you make the color of the button black, it means that equals to that is black. On now be clear. So you want to change anything that is written to white. save. So remember, we have a button called equals to. The quick way to go and navigate with the button is this. Click here, click anywhere here. You can even click here, but make sure that it doesn't touch that thing there. So you wanna go CSS, and you wanna go equals to, then it's gonna show you the option. Here's the button effect. Click it, save. We have our calculator running. Let's refresh our calculator, see what other people are now seeing. It's an update version 2, right? So it is blue, but this blue looks like that one, but neither way. So we want to see the thing that before you press it, it must tell you that no, be careful. We can make it red and make this one white. Be careful. We are about to calculate. So you can change this as well the way you want it. Thank you for joining us for this tutorial. Next tutorial, we are doing 1 plus 1 equals 2. That's going to be very interesting. C# is the language, but remember you can do it in C++, you can do it in Python, you can do it in Java, JavaScript, you can do it in many languages that are out there. They all do the same thing.